What's going on, crypto family? I hope you're having an amazing day. I just want to say thank you for tuning in for another video. So today we are going to talk about Vechain. And what is going on with Vechain that is just exploding? Everyone is talking about Vechain. So today we're going to give you a better idea of what is going on. That everyone is just buying Vechain like for millions. Everyone is buying, and the coin is just go parabolic with an all-time high of almost 27 cents, and right now it's at 23 cents. So let's see what's going on with this coin that everyone is just so hyping about it. It's just right now it's a number 12 on CoinMarketCap with a 15 billion dollar market cap. So if we want to get to a dollar, which is everyone's price prediction, we gotta get to almost $100 billion market cap, which is possible. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but it's quite a lot of money that they have to put in this coin to go to a dollar. So I believe it's gonna happen. I just don't know when, and I don't know. People are saying that next month. I don't know if that's gonna be possible because it's quite a lot of money that people have to dump into this coin to go to a dollar. But everything is possible. I have learned that in this cryptocurrency market, everything is possible and can happen like this very fast. So let's go. The first thing that I want to show you some cool stuff about the coin. Right now it's a $15 billion market cap, as I say, and the volume traded is just crazy, $4 billion. And yeah, this is the chart. You see, yesterday we have a major dip with Bitcoin going to almost $51,000, which is just crazy. People were freaking out. All my friends calling me, what is going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with my investment? It's down 20%, 30%. I just said, chill out, guys. It's just normal. Yesterday we had some stuff going on for blackouts going on in China, and the miners couldn't verify a lot of transactions, so the coin just went down. Also some misleading some posts in Twitter, something like this, just go crazy, a little bit stuff. But now the coin is going, everything's getting back to normal, and yeah, everyone is quite happy again. And if you were one of those who got the chance, because it was yesterday at midnight, to buy more coins when that 20% dip, like 30% dip, congratulations to you, because you're gonna make a lot of money. Even now you are making like 10 or 20% just in a matter of one day, which is crazy. I also bought some coins at a discount, a 20% discount, 30% discount, which is quite difficult to find right now. So Vechain, you can buy it on BINANCE or KuCoin on this website that I never use it, Kuboy Globe or something like this. But Binance is one of the biggest ones. You can get this coin, and right now it's at 23 cents. So let's go. This is the chart. But before we go into the price prediction and the chart, let's see what is Vechain, what some of the news, some of the community, how big is the community that this coin has that is making this coin to go just so parabolic. So the first one, this is the website. You see they have a lot of information about the coin. If you want to know more about this about Vechain, if you want to check out their website, something like this, I will leave the link below so you guys can, it's easy for you to check it out. They have a ton of information here about the coins, which is pretty cool. This coin have a lot of usage in the cryptocurrency world, and yeah, it's quite awesome. They have all the big the CEO, the coins of the company here. Everyone is here. They have the LinkedIn link, so you guys can check it out for yourself. They have a lot of social media like Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, everything like that, so you guys can check out all that. So the biggest one that everyone is just talking about it, they have a big community, big followers. So before we go to Twitter, I want to show you that Vechain is trending. When I mean trending, it's just trending hard. It's a number 6 in the most viewed cryptocurrency in CoinMarketCap. Number 6. The number 1 is SafeMoon, number 2 Dogecoin, Bitcoin number 3. SafeMoon is crazy, like 100% in the last 24 hours. That's another topic, and maybe we are gonna talk about it tomorrow. Then we have Shiba Inu. I don't know this coin, but just go parabolic as well. XRP and VET and number 6. So people are just hyping this coin all the way to the top. That's why the price has gone crazy. So that is quite cool stuff to see that everyone is just finding this coin. Then we have Twitter, and they have 264,000 followers on Twitter with a lot of information. If you buy this coin, go to Twitter and follow them, because they have a lot of news, a lot of information, cool stuff about the coin that you want to stay up to date with what's going on with the coin with your investment. At least that's my recommendation. I do that with all my investments, so I know exactly what is going on. They have a lot of news here, a lot of people talking about it. The community is quite awesome. See a lot of engagement. That's very good for any coins. If they want to get to the next level, we need to have a big community, a strong community. So everyone is just helping to grow this coin or this community or this investment. So BitVet is crazy. They have really awesome coin. Maybe it's gonna go to crypto to Coinbase soon. I don't know. Let's see. And another big community that they have, another big followers, is in Reddit, which they have 131,000 members. They talk a lot. Even this one, I just saw this one. Like Bitcoin is in number 11 on coin market cap ranking. Right now it's at 12, so it's one down. But it's even higher. It's one number higher than Chainlink, which is crazy. It's crazy, but as I said, it's just going parabolic. Vechain, crazy. Really awesome work from the community. Really awesome. And this guy, Optiscom, which is a gamer, I believe, and he has a lot of followers, like 2 million followers, something like that. He tweeted, Vechain to the moon. And you know what happens when these big influencers, they say something about some coin, like Elon Musk is hyping Dogecoin, and these guys say something about Vechain. That is some sweet gains right there. Everyone is just buying it and buying, and that makes the price to go parabolic. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff here that you can check out in Reddit and Twitter. So now, everything that we have seen about Vechain is awesome. It's cool. They have a strong community, strong followers. They have a really awesome website with a lot of information you can check out. All the CEO, the company, the projects, everyone. Now let's go into the chart. It's gonna be quite quickly, and then I'm gonna give you a price prediction, just seeing all the jobs of the upcoming events that they have, all the big news that are coming up for this coin, and let's see where we can go and how much money do we need to get there. That is the most important thing, because people say price prediction, but they don't say exactly or how much money. They don't see the reality of that a coin needs, how much money to get to where they want it to go, because everyone wants it's going to go to $2, $5. Some people are saying even $5 by the end of 2021, and that's a little bit crazy. But as I said, anything can happen. And I'm gonna give you my price prediction, but don't believe me. Don't buy this coin because I say it. I'm not an expert. I'm just giving you my opinion, and which is just my opinion. Just you want to believe it or not is the same. This is not advice for anyone. Don't buy this coin because I say it. So you see this coin went parabolic all the way up, no retracement, always small, going up. People that bought here just make a lot of money, like a lot. I mean a lot. In December, in December we have the first big upside market here. You see it's going crazy all the way. We have a small retracement here, and then we are going all the way back up from 0.09, 0.03 up to 239 right now, and up to all-time high 27 cents, which is massive gains, massive gains. And right now, from yesterday, we saw that the Bitcoin half, and it went down a little bit. If you bought it here at 16 cents, was the best time. If you bought it at 16 cents, was the best time for you to buy it. And right now, it's still okay. We have a small dip here that you can get in, and I'm sure. So I'm gonna give you my price prediction, seeing all the hype, all the information, all the events that they're coming up. I think that at this pace, looking at the chart, they have, let me see. Let's look at the number, which is the most important thing. They have a 15 billion market cap right now. They have a circulating supply of 64 billion tokens, which is quite high, or a max supply of 86 billion tokens. If we want this coin to go to $1, we are gonna need to go to $100 billion market cap, which can happen, but it is a lot of money. It's a lot of money that you gotta dump into this coin, so it goes to $1. I believe that it's gonna happen, but it's not gonna happen in the next month. I'm sure of that. Maybe I'm wrong, but maybe by the end of 2021 it's gonna happen. Maybe September or November, before we get to December. But you know that is a strange time for the markets. Everyone say the end of the bull market. I'm not sure about that, but I believe if you want to go to $100 billion market cap for this coin, it's gonna take a while, maybe a few months, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. it depends of how the community is keeps strong. If people have a lot of new events, a lot of new cool stuff about this coin, we are gonna get there. But right now, everything is looking good. If you bought Vechain, like up down here or at any point, you make some money, and I believe that is still a good time to buy Vechain because it's quite a strong project, and I'm not doubt that I'm gonna see in the number 5 in CoinMarketCap soon. That's what I believe, at least. So yeah, that's my price prediction. That's my thoughts. That's all my thoughts about Vechain. I think it's a really cool project. You should buy right now. Don't believe me, I bought some Vechain yesterday with the dip, but you don't have to do it. Just do your own research. Do your own research before you buy any coin. And yeah, that's everything that I had to say about this coin. If you want to get in, now you're getting a little bit of sale. I think it's a good time. That's all that I gotta say about when it comes to invest in this coin. That's it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow for the next video. Thank you for watching. As I say, thank you for supporting the channel. If you want to help me out, remember to subscribe, like, share your video with your friends, so you help me out and you help me grow this community as a family. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you for another video. We'll see you later for another video. Thank you guys, appreciate it.